Okay, so welcome back to the last teaching session today. So this teaching section based on the two teaching section before break time. So before break time, we already talked about what is the metal AM and some fundamental phenomena in the metal AM process. Now we use that the knowledge and understanding, and we move on to the last section today. Metal AM process classifies. So before we can move to the main content for this session, we need to understand the learning outcome for this one. So the learning outcome for this section based on two things. The first, when you finish the section, you have to understand what kind of resource and what kind of material you can use for the metal AM. And the second thing is you have to understand the definition and the classifier for the metal AM process. Okay, you're right, you're clear. So based on this one, now we move on the main topic, the main content for this section. So for the section before break time, we already talked and discussed about what is the metal AM process, right? What is the metal AM? So do you remember in the metal AM, we have two components. What is the two components? The first is, yes, the first is the heat source, heat source, heat source. The second one is, okay, the second one is the metal, material. So now we have heat source and material. And in this section, we want to understand more clear and more detail about what kind of heat source and what kind of material can we use for the metal AM process. So please tell me, please open your mouth, what kind of heat source we can use for the metal AM? We have, yes, we have three kinds of heat source. Is include this, yes, the laser heat source. Yes, next arc heat source. Next one is, yes, electron beam heat source. Okay, so move to material. Please let me know what kind of material form we can use for the metal AM. What? Open journal. Yes, the first one is, okay, thank you, powder. The second one is, thank you very much, wire. So now please focus on here. I will explain more detail. Now we have the heat source and material. Based on the what kind of heat source we use and what kind of material we use, we can create two kind of the metal AM process. The first is powder bed. The second one is, yes, DED process. So this one powder bed, this one DED. So in powder bed, we have, yes, laser is powder. Second one is, yes, electron beam with the powder. So totally we have, yes, two kind of the powder bed. The second one is the DED process. The third is laser with the, yes, wire. Second one is arc with the wire. Next, thank you. Electron beam with the wire. And now we have the final one for the ED process. What is this? Thank you. Laser with the powder. However, now is we have to understand the powder in the process have to be different with the powder in powder bed. So in this case, powder in DD process is a blow powder. And the powder in powder bed is located on the bed. Okay, now please come back to my slide. On the left side of the slide, I show the schematic for the powder bed. And on the right side of slide, I show the DD powder schematic. These are very much different, clear different. Please remember this one, okay? Okay, so now based on the knowledge and understanding from this one, can we say about the definition for the powder bed and DD? What is different? For the powder bed, we use, thank you, laser or electron beam interact with, yes, powder to create, yes, 3D objects. Good. For the DD process, we use the heat source included. Thank you. Arc and laser and electron beam. Interact with, yes, thank you, powder or wire. To create, thank you very much, 3D object. This is all of the thing about what is the metal ion process for this section. So before we finish this section, I will have a quick stat. We have 3 questions for the quick stat, how you understand about this section, the knowledge you can get from this one. Okay, can I delete this one? Okay. So the first question is, what is the heat source can be used in the metal ion process? What is A or B? Can you remember again? Yes, B. Electron beam, laser, and arc plasma. The second question is, what is the best description for the DD process? Please remember again, DD process we can use for the wire and powder. So the best choice is C, right? We can use wire or powder. The last question is, we have 4 DD process or we have 3 powder bed process. In powder bed, we have 2 types of heat source, laser and electron beam. So we can create, yes, 2 types of powder bed process. So the correct is A. Okay, so that's all of the thing about this section teaching. So now I can conclusion. For this section teaching, we already focus and try to understand about what kind of heat source and material we can use for the metal ion process. The second one is how about the definition and classify for metal ion. That's all of the thing. Okay, do you understand clearly? Do you have any question? No? Okay. If you don't have any question, we can finish the lecture now. Thank you very much.